Part of figuring out the value of the estate includes understanding what the deceased owed. But what should be included as debt and what should not is what we're covering in today's episode, and it starts right after this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bill Martinez and I'm a realtor and probate specialist brokered by eXp right here in San Antonio, Texas. I post new videos every Tuesday all about San Antonio probates and real estate. After the passing of a loved one, there comes a point where it's time to find the value of the estate they left behind. A written will that was left behind by the deceased will definitely help with this endeavor, but the debt of the deceased must be accounted for as well. So what can be included as debt and what should be left out? First off, it's good to know that there are two different forms of debt. Those that are tied to a specific asset, like a loan, a mortgage, maybe even a boat. And then there are debts that are not tied to a specific asset, like maybe a credit card balance. Not only that, but there's also a difference between estate debts and estate expenses. So what could be included in an estate debt? Well, here are some examples. You have credit card bills, student loans, unpaid utility bills, unpaid property taxes, unpaid child support, unpaid mortgage statements, income taxes, medical bills, phone bills, even loans against retirement accounts and personal loans, just to name a few. Yeah, it might seem like a lot, but hopefully most of those things I mentioned do not pertain to your particular situation. Then there are estate expenses, which include funeral fees, burial fees, attorney fees, legal fees, court fees, accounting fees, executor fees, even ongoing expenses that occur during the probate process, which might even include upcoming mortgage payments and utility bills. I know it could seem confusing, but here's an easier way to look at it. Estate debt would include anything that took place before their passing. Estate expenses, however, would include anything that occurred after their passing. Now, there should be a record of both expenses and debts. Debts will have to be settled, and of course expenses will have to be paid. But some expenses related to assets might be transferred to the heirs, such as if they are inheriting real estate or vehicles and there is a mortgage or a balance attached to that asset. But it's good to mention that these assets might be sold or could be sold depending on what is written in the will and your particular situation. Now, when you list a debt, be sure to record the amount, the name of the creditor, and even include when the next payment is due. Keep good record of debts. And so when it comes time to distributing the estate, be sure to pay the expenses and pay the debts before transferring anything to the heirs. Consult your probate attorney to avoid all trouble or all probate trouble at all costs. Now, if you are taking inventory of an estate and you're looking for ideas of where to search and find assets, be sure to check out this video right here. I'll give you some ideas that could help, that should help, and even a few online databases where you can do some searching. Thanks again for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might be going through the probate process or will soon be going through the probate process. See you in the next episode. Take care.